Alright guys, so I am here. It is now Sunday, 7 o'clock in the evening, and I just got a package via Amazon Prime. And they actually deliver same day. And so I had a package that came directly to my house, and I kind of wanted to share it with you guys because it leads into what the following weeks are going to be about, what my next series is. If you guys want to take a guess, if you're watching, you can leave comments and let me know what you think my box may have in it, or what we may be gearing up towards. But I will say this thing has been highly requested, very popular item, and we're gonna make sure we cook with it and give it our full testing out to see exactly how it goes. So without further ado, we're gonna jump in. Who? Hi, Ileana, all the way in Ohio. So we're going to jump in and kind of see what's in my nice box. Again, if you're just joining me, I got a box via Amazon Prime. It's a new kitchen utensil. I don't want to call it kitchen utensil, a new kitchen electronic, which will lead us into our next series for the next coming weeks. And I'm super excited about it. I've gotten like tons of requests to do a series on this, and so we're gonna take it and grab by the horns and actually run with it. All right, so I'm gonna unbox this, and we're just gonna kind of roll with the punches, and we're gonna pray that I can actually get it open here without hurting people, because I have a tendency to hit people in the eyeballs. So, oh, that's cool. Okay, so if you guys don't know, I gotta sit it down because I'm only 5 feet tall. And so I wanted to show it to you so you guys can basically see what I got. So I got the brand new Instapot Duo Plus 60. And so basically this is a newer model, or an upgraded model of the Instapot that's been out. And it's all the rage, all the fad. Everybody's been asking for recipes, different things to kind of make their life a little bit less hectic, a little bit more simpler. And so this is exactly what I got. So some of the things that it's claiming to do, it's auto cuisiner malfunction. Oh, hello. Let's turn down the English part. 9-in-1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker with advanced micropressor technology. So cook food 70% faster, easy one-touch controls, smart remembers the way you cook, and it's healthy, has stainless steel cooking pot, no chemical coating. And so this also comes with a 12-month warranty. And I want to say again, you guys, I ordered this off of Amazon Prime, not sponsored, not mad. And this was actually here, if you guys, actually it's called Amazon Now here in Austin, and they got this to me within 2 hours. So if you guys are lucky enough to have an Amazon hub near you, that's always an option as well too. So this is a pretty box. I think I might want to keep the box. It's super pink, but this is kind of, you can saute, cook like a pro with high heat feature, fast cooker, advanced pressure cooker, and then it's a yogurt maker. You can keep your food warm. It's a slow cooker, and I'm sure there are a ton more things that we can do with this. So I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys what our Thursday series are going to be about. Now we're going to be cooking pretty much live with the Instapot every Thursday, and I'll have a different recipe, different things that will come out via the Instapot. The one thing that I'm opening that you guys can't see that I can see, it actually comes with, let me see if I can get this off here so you guys can see this. It comes with a manual, a recipe book, a quick reference guide, a rice paddle, and it comes with all these things here, and then it gives you kind of a breakdown of what it looks like, so you don't have any confusion. And everything, when you open the box, just kind of pops right on off. Everything's in this nice little packet. Cord. And let's see if I can make this out the box without dropping it. All right, it did make it out the box. All right, and then this this is what the Instapot looks like. And so it has the blue dial. Let's see if I can actually get this thing to turn on for you so you can see it. Oh, hello. Hot steam release. Let's see. So, from my understanding, this is one of the newer versions of the Instapot. I know they have 3 different sizes. They have a 3-quart, a 6-quart, and I think an 8-quart is what? Huh? Hi, Brittany. They have again, like I said, a 3-quart, 6-quart, 8-quart, or I could be saying that backwards, but I think that's exactly what they have. But I want to plug it up so you guys can physically see it for me. And how it goes. All right, let me spin it this way. All right, so this is what it looks like. And make sure I'm not flashing you guys. So, again, these come in 3 different sizes. I bought the middle one, which can feed anywhere between, I think it said 4 and 6 people. The smaller one is 2 people, and I think the biggest one can feed 6 to 8 people. So I got the mid-range one. Again, personal choice. This one, I can tell you, was $129, and then I think the smaller one was $99, and then it goes up from price for the bigger one. So you guys can. Oh, and I probably just unplugged this. Oh, okay. So hold on, learning how to use everything. Okay, so soup and broth, meat and stew, bean and chili, cake. You can do a cake in here. Eggs, slow cook, saute. We can do rice, porridge, which guys, we're not in England. I'm assuming that means like oatmeal. You can steam, you can sterilize yogurt, and then pressure cooker, and then it has pressure level. Pressure level, and then you can add, decrease, cancel, start, delay, all that type of thing. So I wanted to hop on here, you guys, and kind of give you a run around. It also has your vent, your ceiling, your venting, and it has all that type of stuff in there, and you can raise it, and it has all of your goodies. Kind of gives you some warnings, things you don't want to do. It says, please pay close attention, big yellow thing, to warning labels before removing them from the pressure cooker. So make sure, you guys, I can't say enough, to read directions.
Link pinned in bio. In the comments.
Oh, so my daughter's telling me that my particular pressure cooker is in the link in the comments, and it's pinned in the bio if you guys want to grab one. If you guys are in a more urbanized area, I'm just going to assume Amazon Now is where I got it, and they had it delivered to my door in 2 hours. Even if you don't have it then, you can get it there if you have Prime within 2 days. So if you guys want to follow along and cook with me, or the trend, or if you want to jump in with me on Thursdays to kind of see what's happening, or even if you don't get it then, you can always get it later and go back and follow the recipe. So this is what will be happening for at least the next 3 to 4 to 5 Thursdays. We'll be breaking this puppy down, doing different things in it, putting it to its test to see exactly what it's going to do. And I plan on using every last one of those functions on here just to make sure we are doing exactly what we need to, and doing exactly what this thing is intended to do, and what it says it's going to do, and if it's holding up to its name. So again, guys, if you have Amazon, I do know as well too, this is not an ad for Amazon. You guys can always go and pick this up at your local Walmart, Target, I think maybe at the Bed Bath Beyond, any type of cooking store. I do want to let you guys know there are different types of Instapots. This is just the name brand of Instapot. They have different other types of things like this that might be off-brand. So just be aware of that. They have some of the same functions, but they might operate a little bit differently. So everything that I'll be giving to you will be directly from an Instapot perspective. But don't fear. I'm pretty sure there are some workarounds when you guys get this and you can use it. If you already have one, thank you, or just welcome me to the club. I had an old one that finally just kind of gave away after a couple years, but it seems like everybody's back on the hype and the bandwagon, and we're gonna actually put it to the test. So if for the next 4 to 5 to 6 Thursdays, if you guys tune in, stay tuned. We'll be talking about Instapot, everything on here. And you guys, I hope you are having a marvelous Saturday. Let me see if I can see anything else in here before we, and I'll say it's Saturday. It's Sunday, guys. So this looks like my steaming tray that goes in here. I can probably put some fish or some salmon in here. It's kind of what I was thinking. And so here's the actual pot that comes out, which I'm going to go ahead and take out. And then I also have another warning label. Please make sure heating element is free of grease and debris. Do not leave food in the heating element. So basically, don't put food in there. Don't do it. And I'll show you. Guys, don't put food down there. That's a no-no. That's basically what this is telling you. You're gonna make sure you cook everything in here. So this is basically your Instapot bowl. And then it kind of gives you, so I think you can read it here. So it gives you a max, PC max. And then it gives you little measuring things in the bottom here. And you can pop that on in there if you wanna. We're gonna figure out what all these things do. I'm assuming that's for like fish or some type of meat. And you can do that. So I hope you guys have enjoyed kind of my unboxing. If you guys have questions, we're gonna kind of learn together with this brand new thing. If you guys have recipes that you have seen or that you want me to try, please link them below into the comments and we will try to work on doing that. But I already have my first one in my mind that I think I'm ready to do live with you guys on Thursday. So I look so forward to trying this out. It's 10 in 1, so we are going to give it all 10 ways to figure this out, and then we're going to try to work through it. So, again, guys, happy Sunday. I hope you have a great night, and I will catch you guys here on Thursday. Good night, guys.